How to log in Amazon Prime in desktop. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you sign in or log into your Amazon Prime account on your desktop or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to search for Amazon Prime. Alright, so after you search for Amazon Prime, you'll have to just tap or click on that website to log in with your account. Okay, so from this official site of Amazon, you'll have to just click on the option Prime Video Member and sign in. So simply you have to click on that sign in option. Alright, so from this sign in section you can easily enter your email or mobile phone number that is linked to your Amazon Prime account. So simply provide your email address or phone number here. Alright, so after you provide your email address or phone number, you'll have to just click on the option continue. Okay, so now from the section you'll have to just enter your correct password for your Amazon Prime account. So simply enter your password here. Alright, so after you enter the password, you'll have to click on sign in. Okay, so by tapping on that option sign in, you can easily log in or sign into your Amazon Prime account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.